So in this video, which is part 3 of the pyramid chart in Chart.js 4, we're going to work on converting these into a positive number. Luckily, this is a quite simple process once you understand how. So what we're going to do is in here in the X scale, because basically in the X scale I want to convert this, and what I can do here is just indicate here the ticks, because I want to play around with the ticks, and what I want to do in the ticks here is create a callback. And in this callback, I'm going to grab here the value. You can get the index and you can get the ticks, although I won't be using the last two. However, what I'm going to show you here is what do we get if I say the value, and I see here ticks callback. Where is the function expression arrow? Alright, make sure you have this arrow so everything works nicely. If I save this, refresh, right now the scale disappears here because we don't return a value. But you can see here what we get is we get all of these numbers. And I just want one thing. What I want to do is making sure that these negative values are being represented as a positive value. Well, in reality, it's still a negative value. So what we're doing is what we call a cosmetic fix. Visually, it changes, but behind the scenes, it is just still negative. So what we're going to do here is the following. We're going to say here, return the value. If I save this, you will see here that this returns it, but then I'm going to use a function. It's called the math.abs, which is basically absolute, converting the value into an absolute value. So if it's a positive value, it will be a positive. Well, it will just remove everything else. If it's a negative value, it will be converted into a positive value as well. Save this, refresh, and you can see here now this works. Of course, if I have the tooltip here, we enable it again. You can see here this is all positive, but this one is all negative. So we need to figure out that one as well. That will be in the next video.